Hi, beautiful people. Cook dinner with me. For dinner tonight, we have some savory rice with some chicken that I made in the air fryer. I firstly boiled my rice and mixed veg. I added some turmeric to the rice just to make it yellow, and then I fried up an onion, green pepper with garlic and ginger. And then I added in one beef stock and some curry, and I let it fry together. Then I added in the mixed veg and I let it simmer for 10 minutes. And then I started cleaning the chicken with some lemon juice. After that, I spiced the chicken. Then I finished the rice. I just added it to the mixture. And then you're just gonna mix it all together and set it aside so the flavors can marinate. And then when I was done spicing the chicken, I placed it in the air fryer. It took about like a half an hour for this to get done. And then I enjoyed my meal, and she was a goodie.